Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to set up the PNC mobile banking application on your mobile phone. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the Play Store on your mobile application, on your mobile phone, and if you're on iPhone, you want to go ahead and open up the App Store. So guys, go ahead and open up the App Store, and after doing that, guys, you'll be greeted by the main page where at the top of the page is going to be the search bar. So we want to go ahead and open up the search bar, and we want to go ahead and search for a PNC Bank. Search for PNC Bank guys, and after this is going to open up this new menu with results where you can see one of them is called PNC Mobile, and we want to go ahead and open up that one. So guys, go ahead and open up PNC Mobile, and now what we want to do is go ahead and click the install button right here. So guys, go ahead and click on install, and now you will see that after a couple of moments it's going to go ahead and install on our mobile phone, and we just have to wait for it to finish. So as you can see here guys, the application has successfully finished on our mobile phone and installed, and now we can go ahead and open it up. So let's go ahead and find the application on our mobile phone. It's right here called PNC, and after opening up the application guys, you are going to go ahead and be greeted by the main page where you can see you can go ahead and create an account or log into an account if you already have one. So go ahead guys and open up the application and just go ahead and sign up for an account or log into one, and you can get started setting it up. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.